the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're welcome back. Okay, I want to show you guys. I made oha soup. Even if it's not like the oha soup you make at home, girl, I tried. Okay, let me show you guys what it's looking like. I can't believe I'm actually testing fresh oha no ziza again in America. My husband brought it fresh. I washed it, I kept it in the freezer in portions that I'm going to use immediately, so I don't let it defrost. I just put it like that, and it's still green. So let me show you guys what the soup is looking like. And that's goat meat, that's oha. In case you don't know, me eating oha soup again. Then me have oha no ziza. It's ready. I want to make it by now. And this is goat meat with it, in case you're wondering. So I'm gonna make a bar.
Vision, divine guidance. And Joseph had divine guidance. He had a dream from God for his life. And then he encountered obstacle after obstacle after obstacle.
We're here at King Buffet. I also want to eat. So we'll be doing lunch here today. We're doing lunch. Is it lunch or dinner? It's lunch now. It's about past 2, so it's lunch. We're doing lunch here today. So we just came back from church and we decided to eat lunch. Really good. All right. We're waiting for 18. It's looking like 81, but it's 18 now. Last time we spoke was when I was at the Chinese restaurant. See what's happening on the screen. That's because of the poor lighting. Let me put on the lights. Just a minute. Yeah, better. So that stuff has gone off. So the last time we spoke was actually when I was at the Chinese restaurant. That was on Sunday. Today is Monday. And it's actually Monday afternoon / evening. I already have this one open, so I guess that was the last time we spoke. Today has been living, okay? Today has been crazy. I've been a lot of things have been trying to go wrong. It has not gone wrong, it's trying to go wrong, because even if it looks like it went wrong, to me, it's for my good, okay? T-Mobile was trying to mess with me. I paid $88 two times for my T-Mobile subscription. It's actually $50 with tax, 55, but I added my husband's line. We're supposed to sum everything to $88. I paid that on the 2nd, and today was on the 5th, which is the day I'm supposed to renew my subscription. But I paid earlier. Okay, I paid earlier because I thought it's wise to pay earlier. Like, why wait till the day your line is about to be cut off for you to pay? So I paid earlier on the 2nd, and today my line was actually cut off even after I paid $88. And I went to T-Mobile this morning, and they told me, oh, we're sorry, you have to pay extra $55. You have a balance of 32 from your last 88. That's to say you weren't supposed to pay early. You're supposed to wait till the day your line was due. Oh, this thing is so hot. Mommy, you have to wait for it to cool down, okay? I'll put Golden on. She'll be having Golden on with that milk. So, and you have to wait till the day your line was due or is due for you to pay your phone bill. You're not supposed to pay earlier. Like, so what they're trying to say in essence is the $55 or $52 that went off, that is left for me, that's out of the $88, it's actually for the 2 days, for 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So every other, so I just, anyways, long story short, I had to pay another bill. Now they're trying to punish me earlier. So what the T-Mobile guy in the office told me, is actually an Ethiopian guy. He told me he doesn't even pay online. I shouldn't try making T-Mobile pay because I made that payment online. I shouldn't try making payments online. I should just come to the store and make my payment whenever I want to make my payment. So with that, I'm not, missing out on anything or any information that I'm supposed to get, because if I had come to store, I would have known that I'm not supposed to have added that number earlier. I would have waited till like today, which is the day my bill was due, to add a new number or a new line. Then I wouldn't have paid that, wasted that $55 or something. So, but I said that's fine. Another thing is people that were supposed to come fix my TV, which is the Best Buy people who went to, remember we went to Best Buy last time. They're supposed to come and fix that TV today. See, my TV, my wall is still looking very empty. I deliberately decided not to like do shit in this house until my husband comes, because I knew he was going to come. So the only place I had TV was inside my living room, my bedroom. So if the kids were like not going to the babysitter after school or anything, they watch that, they chill there, because here is usually very cold this winter. So I'm trying to like see, okay, maybe I can now do something with this living room. And since they're going to be home a lot more, but that's too much. But the Best Buy people are not here. They've been rescheduling, moving. They're not rescheduling. They've been moving the time. They're supposed to come here from 7 to 10 or 11. They sent me a message that they had some stuff, blah blah blah, and they moved it from 11 to 2, and now they moved it from 3 to 6. And I didn't want that. I wanted them to fix this TV today, so my kids can, like, since they are staying home a lot now, one parent is always home. That's also a problem to me, although even if they can use the one in the living room, but in the bedroom, but this one in the living room has its own fun, So, but that's fine. And it's almost, what time is it? It's 3:32, and they're supposed to be here 3 to 6. So I'm just fingers crossed. If they are going to come, I'm going to let you guys know. You guys will see it already. I'll include it in this vlog. But another thing, I paid someone for something, and they have been posting me too. I'm like, okay, what is going on? Like, what is going on this period? Everyone is just posting me anyhow. I'm not gonna let that bother me. I literally just woke up from a siesta. I feel good. I feel better. Yeah, I did show you guys. I'm about to make this. This is fettuccine with chicken and broccoli. So I got this from Walmart. It's those, they are frozen food. I love it. It looks really delicious and creamy. So this is what I'm going to make for the kids for lunch. I think I'm going to microwave it. I don't know. or put it in the oven, one of them. But this is what the kids are having for lunch, and I also want to have it because I've been craving Alfredo sauce for a long time. So yeah. Hey guys, good evening. Hi, good evening. So finally got the TV hung up. You guys can see the guy that came to fix it yesterday, which is the guy from Best Buy. I enrolled in their $199, I think about $199 of the $200 stuff that if you apply, they're going to come fix it for you. And you have shit. What happened? So they brought the TV yesterday. Let me show you guys. So I'm already running late. I'm heading out somewhere. I wanted to show you guys that they've actually come to fit the TV, because I know you guys when we meet to Best Buy, so we're gonna be asking where is the TV. So this is it. It is the 65 inches. I got the 65 inches, not the 75. And even with the 65, I feel it's just too big. Okay, I feel it's too big, but it's okay. Maybe when I move to a bigger space, it's going to fit in properly. Let's say morning. It's morning, yeah. I got something from Amazon. This beautiful plate. I had it before, but the one I had got broken into two. Like the cover got broken, so I had to order for a replacement on Amazon, and it came in. It's so beautiful. I'll try to see if I can link it in the description, but in case you want to get it, it's more like a lunch pack. You see, it's stackable. I don't know why this thing is not focusing, girl. It's stackable, so you can use this to put your rice, and this for stew or fruit. You know, it has compartments. So let me just unbox it for you guys here, so you see how it looks. For this is how they try to so these are fruits. I don't even know, like the lighting is just poor today. It's kind of gloomy outside, so I understand why. So these fruits, veggies, food, you know. And it has fork, knife, and spoon. Anyway, if you're a big eater, like if you're the kind of person that eats in large quantity, this will not be for you. But if you're not so huge of, like you don't eat too much quantity, then you can go with this, because I've had it before. It's actually good, okay? I've been trying to call the customer service, and it's been on since. So I'm trying to put my ear to make sure that they've not picked and I'm still here talking to you guys. So anyways, this is how it is. This thing is more like a bond that holds it together. See? So this is the base, and this is the other parts. Fruits and veggies. It's looking more like for kids kind of quantity, but as in the quantity of food should be for kids, but if you're like trying to eat moderate and everything, this should be for you too. So I've been using it, I like it. Okay, so you just fit like that, and this covers it, and you use this to bind them together. The name is Bent Go, Bentgo, Bent Go. Have I told you guys whenever I'm talking to you guys is when Renee wants to talk to you guys? Anyway, just wanted to hop in here and say hi to you guys. It's Friday today. I'm hoping on getting a Christmas tree. Next week is you guys, I didn't even know next week is Christmas, and I haven't even gotten a Christmas tree. I have a couple of gifts for the kids I want to wrap and put under the tree. I just want to do something different this year, so I have to get a Christmas tree, no matter how small. I don't even want something huge, because the problem is not getting the tree, it's keeping it after the season. Christmas is one day, so I'm going to get something very moderate and just keep it, maybe with something to elevate it. And yeah, definitely there's just going to be something to put gifts under, literally. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Just in case you're wondering what I have in here, what I have in there. In that soup, I have cow leg, I have prawn, I have shrimps, dried prawn, of course, and chicken. And the chicken I have, guys, is one they call Obasanjo here, which is old layer. What else? Dry fish. These kids will let me feel. Mushroom. What else, guys? Periwinkle, in case you're wondering, yeah, I have dried periwinkle, I have dried ngolo, I have dried mba. Like, I'm not missing anything from River State, I'm telling you. The soup is so good. So good that I had to put on my camera. Like, I think this is going to be the end of the video. After I finish eating, I'll come and end the video and edit it. I'm trying to upload it tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, but I had to make this on Saturday so we can have it. And I was supposed to make stew today, but I'll just leave it for tomorrow or maybe Monday. But yeah, guys. Let me go chow this soup. Down it. Since I came to America, I think I've eaten egusi just once, and it was nothing like this one. This is orishi. Alright, later. So I want to come here and end this vlog. I enjoyed my food so much. It was so refreshing, so sweet. So I wish I can feed you guys through this phone, but anyways, let me end this vlog. You guys, if this is your first time visiting my channel, you're welcome. You're welcome back again. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I love you guys so much. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, a like, share, subscribe, and also leave your comment down in the comment section. I promise to reply every one of them, and I will hope to see you guys in my next vlog. Okay, bye. Miss you. Love you. Bye. All right, bye.